What's up, Crazy Reacts? Today we're back with the 60 sub special. Today we're going to be helping our friend out here, Adam. It's car. Won't start. Let's get into it.
We're pretty strong, so we're going to push this shit.
Okay. Good if you took your handbag off.
I reckon.
Attempt 1, we couldn't get it done. We've hired Harry, he's coming. Second attempt. Let's get it back there. One last attempt for the culture. We're doing it in reverse. Let's try. We got no luck, but help is on its way, I believe.
Alright, party people, so we couldn't get it jump started by all these strong, fit looking men pushing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one of my mates to come and chuck his cables on the battery so that we can get going.
Okay. Alright.
Look what you do for 60 subs, guys. Go to these lengths, we drain out our batteries just for you people.
What's he saying? Nothing, guys. Thanks for 60 subs. 60 subs.
Thank you everyone, Crazy React for 60 subs. Fuck.
What's he saying?
60 subs! Yeah!
Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for 60 subscribers. What's next for Crazy Reacts? We don't know. You're gonna have to sub to find out.
Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. Ni le bien,